data science isn't just crunching numbers or running algorithms, it's the art and science of creating these sparks of innovation. At its core, it's about harnessing advanced methodologies and technologies to turn complexity into clarity, chaos into insight, and the best part, these innovations are not just for tech giants or elite researchers, they're tools that every organization can use to change the game. Think about where we are today. We live in a data-driven world, a landscape that's shifting faster than ever before. Businesses face relentless competition. Customer expectations are sky high. Markets demand agility, and the organizations that can't adapt, they risk becoming irrelevant. It's a harsh truth, but it's one we have to confront. Now, here's the good news. Data science is the key to meeting these challenges head on. When used effectively, data science can transform businesses. It can lead to better decision-making, improved customer experiences, and more adaptable strategies. Imagine a world where your decisions are always backed by insights, where every opportunity is identified in real time, and where you're not just keeping up with the competition, you're setting the pace. But here's the catch. Data science doesn't work in a vacuum. The most brilliant models and technologies are only as good as the workflows that support them. Without a clear process, without structure and collaboration, it all falls apart. It's like building a house on quicksand. The foundation matters, and in this case, that foundation is a well-defined workflow. Let me break this down. A great workflow does three things. First, it brings people together. Data science is not a solo mission. It's a team sport. Engineers, analysts, decision makers, they all need to work in harmony. Second, it ensures clarity. Everyone needs to know their role, their responsibilities, and how their work fits into the bigger picture. And third, it drives continuous improvement. In a world that never stands still, your workflows can't either. So, why does this matter for you? Because mastering the art of data science workflows isn't just about being efficient, it's about unlocking the full potential of innovation. It's about turning data from something you have into something you use, something that drives real, measurable results. Over the next slides, we're going to dive deep. We'll explore the challenges that hold us back. We'll introduce a powerful framework, the data workflow method, that can transform how you approach data science. And we'll share best practices and real-world examples to show you what's possible. This is your chance to break out of outdated patterns, to rethink what's possible with data, and to create a system that truly works. Are you ready? Let's get started.